Good morning, students. Today we shall discuss about one more concept of trigonometry, that is trigonometrical equations. Now, in case of trigonometrical equation, the important thing how to find out the value of angle. For this one we have some solution. First one, if you get sin x is equals to 0, then value of x is equals to n pi, where n is an integer. Its value may be 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe minus 1. So it is represented in the form of x is equals to ny. Similarly, if cos x is equals to 0, then x is equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. These are the solutions. When you will get tangent x, the result is equals to 0, then x is equals to n pi. Similarly, if sin x is equals to 0, then x is equals to n pi. If sin x is equals to sin y, means sin y means you know a constant value whose result is a definitely a one particular angle, like 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, particular value. In that case, we will get the value of x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 to power n into y. Similarly, when you get cos x is equals to cos y, then x is equals to 2n pi plus minus y, and tangent x is equals to tangent y, x is equals to n pi plus y. Now, whenever you represent the solution in the form of n, then such type of solution is called as the general solutions. But whenever you give the answer from 0 to 2 pi, means your value of angle is lies between 0 to 2 pi, that type of solution is called as the principal solution. Now, let us discuss one example along with that. Sin x is equals to root 3 by 2. It is given to you. We know root 3 by 2 in case of sine, it is occur at 60 degree. But this is a negative, and sine is negative in the third quadrant as well as in the fourth quadrant. So when we want to enter into third quadrant, see, it is first quadrant, it is second, it is third, it is fourth, and sine theta is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant. When you enter into the third quadrant, your answer is 180 plus. But 180 plus how much angle? The angle is what? Whatever the value you will obtain from here. Root 3 by 2, it is at 60 degrees. So I can write here sin x is equals to sine of pi plus pi by 3. If you open it, sine 180 plus theta, that becomes sine of theta, and sine 30 is equals to root 3 by 2. This minus symbol indicate that you are in third quadrant. This pi by 3, root 3 by 2 indicate about the pi, and you enter into the third quadrant, you use pi, and in case of pi there is no change in trigonometrical function. If you observe your answer, sin x is equals to sine of this one. So it will belongs to this category. Sin x is equals to sine of y. Or I can write sin x is equals to sine of 4 pi by 3 by taking its LCM. So according to this category, x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 to power n into 4 pi by 3 value of y. So this solution is called as general solutions. Now, in case of principal solution, what to do? We say the result must be obtained from 0 to 2 pi. Let us substitute different value of n. First example, let n is equals to 0, then this become equals to 0, x is equals to 0 plus minus 1 to power 0, 1 into 4 pi by 3 is equals to 4 pi by 3. When you substitute n is equals to 1, it will become pi minus 4 pi by 3, that is equals to minus pi by 3. When you substitute n is equals to 2, its result is 2 pi plus 4 pi by 3. This value is greater than 2 pi. So principal value is maximum up to 2 pi. So we can't accept it. N is equals to 3. It will become 3 pi minus 4 pi by 3. N replaced by 3, power negative. It becomes 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 4, 5 pi by 3. See, this result and this result are exactly same. If you see the angle, this is your angle, this is your 0 degree, minus 60 means lies here, minus 60. If you observe, it is 5 pi by 3, pi by 3 is 60 degree, into 5 300, from here 90, it is 180, it is 270, and after a 30 degree more here, it is 300. So if you observe the angle in negative, then it is minus pi by 3. If you observe the angle in positive, it is 5 pi by 3. Both are the same one. So whenever you give the answer in the form of particular value, then such type of solution is called as the principal solution, and whenever you give the answer in the form of n, then such type of value is called as the general solution. So whatever he demands, according to that give the answer.